Everybody, welcome again to another video class. This is Ms Fran as always, welcoming you from the F1 classroom, and today we're going to have a science class. So we usually on Tuesdays night, we have science experiments, but today, since we are studying now and then, we are going to be studying this life cycle of a butterfly. So for this activity, we are going to use our book. Remember the book that we have? Mouse and Me? Yes? So we are going to be working with page 41. So, do you remember that during the insects week, we studied all about insects, caterpillars, spiders, ladybugs, grasshoppers, roly-polies, and more? Yes? Okay. So today we are going to be studying the now and then of a butterfly. So in page 41, 4 and 1, write this one here. We have this. We have 4 pictures. Can you see it well? So what we're going to do is the following. We are going to take a look to all the 4 stages that are here, that they are not in order. So what we're going to do is take a look first. The first one, we have a cocoon. The second one, we have a butterfly, half of a butterfly. The third one, we have a caterpillar. And in this one, we have an egg. Okay? Can you take a look again? So if you take a look already, we are going to draw. So the first one, you are going to draw with a pencil, and now I have here my marker, and I'm going to draw in the whiteboard. Okay, great, super. So what is the first stage in the life cycle of a caterpillar? Do we have the cocoon first? Do we have the butterfly? Do we have the caterpillar or an egg? Here, very good. The first one is the butterfly. We need a butterfly first. So we are going to draw, you are going to here draw the other wing of the butterfly, and I'm going to draw it here, okay? Yes? Okay. So I'm going to start. Take your time. It is okay, remember? I'm going to... Good. And we have up here, we have the body. And here we have the other wing. We have the antennae. And it's got some designs. You see? Okay, and this is black. We have our butterfly. So what does the butterfly do? The butterfly puts an egg. Good job. So here we are going to write number 2. And you need to color this egg. I'm going to draw my egg right here. And I'm going to take my green marker. I'm going to color in green. Okay? Oops. I don't know what the how butterfly egg looks, but I think it should be green. Oops, right here. Okay. So now we have that the butterfly lays an egg. It puts an egg in the leaf. What happens then? Does the egg turns into a cocoon or a caterpillar first? A caterpillar. So here we're going to write number 3 right there. Can you see it well? Okay, 3, and you are going to color the rest of the caterpillar. So what I'm going to do now is this. With my marker, I'm going to draw a caterpillar, like this one. He has some legs, and he has some lines. And don't forget the eyes and the little smile. And here we have ready our caterpillar. And now, last but not least, what do we have? We have the cocoon. Very well done. We write number 4, and I'm going to draw the cocoon in here. I'm going to take a look. What you can do now is to color the cocoon. And what happens next when the caterpillar is in the cocoon? It turns into a butterfly. That's why it is called a cycle. Because when we go to the end, we start all over again. So for example, we have the butterfly putting an egg. The egg, out of the egg comes the caterpillar. The caterpillar goes into their cocoon, and once the months and the days pass by, it turns into a butterfly, and then we start all over again. This is the life cycle of a caterpillar or a butterfly. So this is the now and then of a caterpillar. So this was then, when it's tiny, it's an egg, then caterpillar, then cocoon, and now it is the butterfly. This is how it works. So here now in page, when we go to the pop-outs, here, right here, you can use also this one for show and tell. Because remember, we are studying now and then. It could be from glasses, remember? We can talk about cell phones or tablets or mails or electricity or family history or even insects. So for example, here you can say, this is the now and then of a butterfly. And you show this is a butterfly, and then it puts an egg, then goes to a caterpillar. The caterpillar goes into a cocoon, and then all over again, it is a butterfly. Okay, I hope that you like this science class. You see, today we did not make a science experiment, yet it was very fun because we get to learn so many things. So here it is, the life cycle of a butterfly, the now and then of a butterfly, and see you in the next class. Bye bye. Thank you for coming.